Hello, hello. Well, today I'm going to show you how the window firewalls actually works. Right? I'm going to show you how we can actually use the firewall, configure a firewall, okay, with an inbound rules to block off a ping. Right? For example, this is my client machines. Okay, I have a client machines over here, which is running on again Windows 10. So I'm going to have a server. Okay, the server here. Why is it not pop up? Huh? Oh, it's going to take a bit of time to power up. Let me just do something. Oops. Oops. Sorry, it's taking a while to wake the Windows server up. Right, so we got the server back up. And you can see that this is the DNS server. We can also have right DNS server, and we can do a command. Right, bring out the command prompt, and we can try to ping the client machine. Right, that's 10.0.0.111. So now I can ping. Right, if I ping localhost, it's actually the server. Right, the server is one by DCN. Right. So I can ping, right? So you can see that I can ping 10.0.0.111, right? No problem. Let me try pinging again and .0.0.111, which is the workstation. So it will follow by 3 reply. So if I were to switch over to now to the client side, am I going to set up the control firewall? So we can go to the control panel. We're going to go to system. Okay, we'll try. Oops, system. Sorry, let me just check again. It's not system. Can I just try the Windows firewall? Right. Once we go into the system, Windows firewall, we can go to the advanced setting. This is where we can actually set up the inbound rule or the outbound rule. Inbound rule refers to the rules that coming in, so we can use the firewall to basically block it off. So we are setting on the client side. Okay, so currently there isn't any rules, right? So we can go ahead and try to create new rules. See if I can create a new rules. We can choose a custom rules. You can see that you can actually block certain program port or any other things. So we choose a custom, right? You can choose what program you want to block, okay, all program, or you want to specify a game program or whatever, or certain protocol. So today we're going to do a block something on the protocol. And sync pinking, when we want to ping, we're going to choose the kind of protocol type. Remember, we have learned some of the protocol like TCP, UDP, right? And we have want to block the ping, so which is actually the ICMP, right? So we're going to choose port this prototype, and we'll just leave the port number as it is, right? And we can just do a next, right? We can just apply to any IP address, doesn't matter, the source IP address that coming into my workstation, okay, which is the leon.cl1, and I can choose next, okay, and I say block the connections, okay, the ICMP that we have set, okay, I'm going to set it as blocking it so that it can't ping. We can just choose all of them and then just click next, and I can give it a name called the ping block, okay, whatever. Okay, and voila, finished. Okay, so you can see there is this block over here, and let's check it out. Okay, so let's try to move over to the server side, and let's see whether I can put this server. Okay, so let me move this thing up a bit. So now I will try to ping. Right, earlier on we can do some pinging. Let me just check now. Can I do the same ping? Right, you know, it's now request timeout. Earlier is camping, and now I've been blocked because the server tried to ping the client, right? So unless you go back here and you try to delete, see whether you can. Okay, now I have just deleted it. So if I move back up to the window and I try to do the ping again, right? There you have my pinging is back. So this is how the firewall actually works, right?